Before we jump in, let's set the stage. Imagine you're about to enter a high-security vault, not for treasure, but for your own digital life. The information we're about to share is powerful, and it's meant for your eyes only. We're about to reveal how hackers are targeting Snapchat accounts in 2025. These aren't just old tricks. They're evolving, getting smarter, and using technology in ways we couldn't have imagined a few years ago. But don't worry, this is strictly for your protection. So stay sharp, stay ethical, and get ready to level up your digital security skills. This is your mission, should you choose to accept it. Hacking used to be about guessing simple passwords or exploiting obvious software flaws. Back then, it was a game of chance, hoping someone used password 123 or left their Wi-Fi open. But those days are long gone. In 2025, the world of hacking has evolved into something far more sophisticated and dangerous. Today's hackers are not just tech wizards, they're master strategists. They blend psychology, cutting-edge technology, and powerful artificial intelligence to outsmart even the most cautious users. Their approach is calculated, patient, and often invisible until it's too late. The weakest link in any security system. It's almost always the human behind the screen. No matter how advanced our defenses get, hackers know that people can be tricked, distracted, or manipulated. With AI, hackers can now automate thousands of attacks at once, making each one feel personal. They can analyze your digital footprint in seconds, adapting their tactics to target you specifically. They comb through your social media, piecing together your interests, routines, and even your relationships. Every post, like, and comment becomes a clue, helping them craft messages that seem trustworthy and familiar. It's no longer about brute force or guessing games. Instead, hackers focus on deception, tricking you into opening the door yourself, often without realizing it. Personalized attacks, like spear phishing emails or fake alerts, are now the norm. These messages are tailored to your life, making them harder to spot and easier to fall for. Hackers exploit your trust, curiosity, and even your moments of distraction. They watch for the perfect opportunity when you're busy, tired, or in a rush to strike. All it takes is one careless click, one moment of hesitation for them to slip past your defenses. They're counting on you to let your guard down even for a second. But don't worry. Knowledge is your best weapon. We're here to break down the most common tricks hackers use today, so you can recognize the warning signs and protect yourself. By understanding their methods and staying informed, you can build a strong defense. Simple habits, like double-checking links and using strong passwords, make a huge difference. Stay alert, stay curious, and you'll always be one step ahead of the hackers. Now let's dive deeper into the new tactics hackers are using in 2025 and how you can outsmart them. Phishing has evolved. AI now makes fake messages nearly perfect. Hackers use AI to mimic Snapchat's style, tone, and even your friend's slang. You might get a message about a suspicious login, using real details from your life. The link leads to a fake login page that looks identical to Snapchat's. AI even times these attacks for when you're most active. The goal? Make you panic and act fast. To spot these fakes, always check the sender's full details. Be wary of unexpected messages with links, even from friends. Never log in through a link. Open the app or website directly. That extra step can save your account. Stay skeptical and you'll outsmart the AI. Let's keep going. AI impersonation, deepfakes, are now a real threat. Hackers can create fake audio or video that looks and sounds like your friends. You might get a snap from your best mate asking for your password. It's actually a fake. Always verify unusual requests, even from people you trust. Contact them through another channel to confirm. Trust, but verify, especially with urgent or odd requests. Don't let deepfakes fool you. Password cracking has gone high-tech. AI scans your online life, pet names, birthdays, favorite teams to build a custom list of likely passwords. It predicts human patterns, trying endless variations in minutes. That's why Fluffy 2025 is easy for AI to guess, but PL8 circumflex KZ at 9ST isn't. The best defense? Use long, random passwords with a mix of characters. A password manager can generate and store these for you. Don't reuse passwords across accounts. The more unpredictable you are, the safer you'll be. AI is fast, but randomness beats it. Make your passwords uncrackable. Stay one step ahead. Let's move on to the next threat. Protect your digital keys. Tempted by third-party Snapchat apps? Beware. Many are loaded with AI-designed malware, keyloggers, spyware, and more. These apps look professional, with fake reviews and slick graphics. Once installed, they steal your data in the background. Only download apps from official stores and read reviews carefully. Be suspicious of apps asking for unnecessary permissions. Never install apps promising features Snapchat doesn't offer. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Protect your device, and you protect your account. Stay cautious with every download. Zero-day exploits are hidden flaws in Snapchat's code, unknown even to Snapchat. Hackers use AI to hunt for these rare vulnerabilities. If found, they can bypass security and access accounts undetected. These are usually used against high-value targets, not regular users. The best defense? Always keep your app updated. Updates patch these flaws as soon as they're discovered. Don't ignore update notifications. They're your digital armor. Stay current, stay protected. Now, let's build your digital fortress. Think of your online presence like a house. If the walls are weak, anyone can break in. But with the right steps, you can make your digital defenses nearly impenetrable. The first step is creating a strong, unique password. Don't just use your pet's name or your birthday. Instead, choose at least 12 random characters, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The more unpredictable, the better. Avoid using the same password across different accounts. If one gets compromised, the rest are at risk. Managing all those complex passwords can be tough, but that's where a password manager comes in. These tools securely store your passwords and can even generate strong ones for you. With a password manager, you only need to remember one master password, making your life easier and your accounts safer. Next, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in your Snapchat settings. This adds an extra step to your login process, making it much harder for anyone to break in, even if they somehow get your password. With 2FA, you'll need to confirm your identity using your phone or another device. This second layer of security means that even if a hacker knows your password, they can't access your account without your approval. Always be cautious of urgent or strange messages, even if they appear to come from friends. Hackers often try to trick you into giving up information or clicking dangerous links by pretending to be someone you trust. Never click on suspicious links. If you get a weird request, verify it through another channel. Call or message your friend directly to make sure it's really them. Taking a moment to double-check can save you from a lot of trouble. Limit what you share publicly on your profile. The less personal information you reveal, the fewer clues hackers have to guess your passwords or security questions. Adjust your privacy settings so only trusted friends can see your details. Keep your Snapchat app and your phone's operating system updated. Updates often include important security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers might exploit. Set your apps to update automatically if possible. Regularly review the apps on your phone. Delete any you no longer use, and check the permissions for the ones you keep. Deny access to features that aren't necessary, like your location or contacts, to minimize risk. Practicing these proactive habits, like locking your screen, updating your apps, and being cautious online, makes you a much tougher target for hackers. Good cyber hygiene is your best defense. Most hackers are looking for easy victims. When they see your strong defenses, they'll likely move on to someone less prepared. Your efforts make a real difference. Stay vigilant, keep your guard up, and your Snapchat account will stay safe. Remember, you've got this. Your digital fortress is strong and secure. That's your crash course in Snapchat security for 2025. Hackers are smarter, but so are you. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, and stay skeptical. Know the tricks, and you won't fall for them. Your safety is in your hands. Take action today. Keep learning and talking about online safety. Share these tips with friends and family. Together, we make the internet safer. Follow for more simple security tips. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you next time.